This video, I'm going to talk about how to estimate or approximate square roots using the calculator. I'm going to be using the TI-84 series calculator. This is the official emulator from Texas Instruments. So these problems are like those from the MDE 60 textbook, chapter 15, section 1, numbers 43, 45, and 47. Remember that the official calculator that's recommended for MDE 60 is the TI-30 series calculator, which I already made the video for. But this is the calculator that is recommended for Math 161 and above. If you're going to be a pre-calculus and calculus student, I'm going to show you how to use this calculator, since this is a calculator you will end up using in the future. And I want you to be able to see how to perform those functions here as well. So first thing, just like with the TI-30 calculator, is we want to turn our math print off. So I'm going to turn this to classic like that. And I'm going to leave this on float for right now. And we're going to hit the second button to get the square root feature. See how it's a second feature of x squared. So that's one of the things that's different, is that it's a second feature like that. And I'm going to type in 11 and hit enter. And then there it is to all those decimal places. And I would round to the third decimal place by saying that this 6 rounds that 6 to a 7. I want to make the calculator do the rounding for me. I know that I am fixed at 3 decimal places throughout my problems. I can do that. Second quit to get out of the menu. And then I'm just going to hit enter again. It remembers what the last command was, and it's going to round for me. My second problem here is the square root of 34. I don't need to close the parentheses. It knows that there should be a closed parenthesis there, but it's a good idea to get in the habit of closing your parentheses. And the third problem is the square root of 131. As I talked about in the video before, you might be asked to approximate this by saying what numbers you know it has to be between. So because 11 is between 9 and 16, the square root of 11 has to be between the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 16 is 4. And you might even guess that it's closer to 3 than it is to 4, because 11 is closer to 9 than it is to 16. Similarly, the square root of 34 is between 25 and 36, much closer to 36 than it is to 25. So its square root is going to be, the square root of 34 is going to be between 5 and 6, but much closer to 6. So that answer makes sense to us there. And 131 is between 121 and 144. Kind of right there in the middle. So we would kind of expect something around halfway between 11 and 12. And that's what we got. So you may not be able to get estimates that are as exact as that in your head, but you should be able to have a rough idea of whether it's closer to the lower number or the upper number, or kind of right in the middle, without using the calculator. All right, that's it for this video. I'm gonna come back and make 1 or 2 other calculator videos on this topic with other calculators that we use at the school as well. But these are the 2 recommended calculators. I've already done the TI-30 video, and this is the TI-84 video. I'm going to do a video now on the Windows calculator. It's on all the desktops. That's a free calculator, and I'm going to do another video that is on the Desmos calculator, which is used for some of our classes. All right. See you for our next videos, which are going to go over simplifying expressions with rational exponents using the laws of exponents.